Okay people, so I'm just doing something really stupid, really quick. Do not try it at home. I just want to show you guys something, okay? This is not even part of what we do for this build. I just wanted to show you guys something because it's really cool. So what I did so far, I'm gonna show the build and everything, but I decided to take the ESC that will fit into this box. I got a ESC, Ayuka servo and everything, and I want you to guys trying to listen to the noise that this motor is producing with a 6S battery. And then I figure out to show you something cool about the wheels, how the wheels become to be a huge gyro as soon as you plug something in. Look at this. Again, do not do what I'm doing right now at home. I'm gonna turn on the car and I'm gonna lift it from the ground just an inch. This is the throttle. I want my hands away from this exposed sprocket. Nothing touching. Let's see, you can see it. Listen to this. Shh. Yeah. Not getting anything. 1 second. My remote did not catch in. Let's do it again. I think I touched something on the remote. I'm using a Futaba remote and I touch the screen and I move the model. So I have to go back to the model. I'll be back in a second. Okay, we are back. I just took a pause for a second. I was needed to set up the remote. Okay, listen to this. Move my finger. Make sure everything is clear. This is just pulse. This is how noisy this thing is. The motor did not even get warm. This is 6S with a big gear. And now I'm gonna do it again. Pay attention. There's nothing hooked up to the wheels. The wheels are completely loose. The amount of power and the amount of speed creating a complete gyro out of the wheels. Look how cool is that. Again, let's move everything away. This thing is so noisy. Again, the motor is not even getting close to be hot. And I know it need to get more pressure. Battery is cold. ESC is not even warmed out. But again, it's not under stress, so it's not a problem. Let's do it one more time. This is a lot of this noise is just amazing. Listen to this. Listen to this. Shh, shh, shh. This is just amazing amount of power that this thing produce. And again, nothing got even close to be warm. And what I did right now, I use the Dynamite motor with literally Red Cat Racing 1/5 scale hobby wings, 150 amp ESC with a single 6S battery. Now, I recommended to all of you guys not to use one battery for the reason that always one cell going bad on those. So I will use it for this build because what I'm gonna do to save weight, gonna be a battery here, an ESC here to balance. So we keeping the weight of and everything of the car low. Just wanted to show you guys. Again, this is just a tease of what we do. Bye.